Investing in HDFC mutual funds online is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to invest in HDFC mutual funds online. Create an account. Visit the HDFC mutual funds website or download their mobile app. Create an account by providing the required personal and contact information. Complete KYC verification. To invest in mutual funds, you will need to complete the Know Your Customer verification process. Submit the necessary documents such as identity proof, address proof, and PAN card, either online or by visiting a designated KYC registration agency. Choose the right fund. Research and select the HDFC mutual fund that aligns with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. HDFC offers a range of funds across different categories, including equity funds, debt funds, and hybrid funds. Select the investment mode. Decide whether you want to invest through a lump sum or a systematic investment plan. In SIP, you need to invest a fixed amount regularly, typically monthly. Provide investment details. Enter the investment details, including the amount you wish to invest, the investment mode, and the frequency of SIP. You may also specify the desired growth or dividend option. Payment. Make the payment for your investment through the available online payment options, such as net banking, debit card, or UPI. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your chosen mode of payment. Confirmation. After successful payment, you will receive a confirmation of your investment. The confirmation will include details such as the number of units allotted, the NAV at which units are allotted, and the transaction statement. Track your investment. Monitor the performance of your investment through the HDFC Mutual Funds website or mobile app. You can view your portfolio, track NAVs, and access account statements. Review and adjust. Regularly review your investment portfolio and consider making adjustments if needed. Revisit your investment goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions to ensure your investment strategy remains aligned with your objectives.